Alright, I'm going to begin this build of this coffee table using some POPLAR, and going to get all the sides nice and flat. Now we're going to put it through the planer and get it down to the correct thickness. And then I'm going to cut the 4 legs for the coffee table. And here we're going to cut the legs to length. I can't remember what the measurement was at this point. And then right here, I'm cutting a rabbet. And this is basically where the bottom slats are going to sit across there, and that rabbet's going to give them something to sit on for support. And now I'm going to chamfer at the bottom of the legs, and gives a little decorative look, but also it serves a purpose, which is keeps them from splintering off. Drilling holes for the dowels. That's what I'm going to use for joining everything. And here, these are like little dowel markers. Basically, I'm going to hit the end of it, and it's going to put an indent into the wood, so I know where to drill for the connecting piece of the dowels. And here I'm using my drill press, make sure I'm getting a nice straight hole so the joinery is nice and clean looking. Damn, look at that. Gotta make sure I keep them things tight. And now look at me, I can't seem to get it back, and I can't get it in the hole. I think I tried 2 or 3 times here. One of these days. Now I'm using my bandsaw to resaw this POPLAR, making the aprons to go around the edges, and also getting it down the correct thickness for the face frame as well. Putting together everything, the dowels at the bottom, and then using pocket hole screws around the aprons on the top. Clamping it down so the glue will have a chance to dry. And as you can see right now, that fan just blew up my shirt, and letting everybody know I'm a plumber. crack out everywhere. And then I'm cutting everything down for the face frame. Again, using pocket hole screws to hold this face frame together. And right here, I actually made a mistake. And later in the video, you'll see those two end pieces that I'm putting on now. I actually took them off. I didn't need them. And now I'm going to glue up and pocket hole screw up the face frame side of the carcass. I think I stayed out of the way of the fan this time, so I wasn't ruining everybody. By the way, how y'all liking my little mixing of the music? A little something new I tried. And finally, I'm putting together the whole carcass, and this is basically going to be all of part one, just the carcass of it. Part two, we'll go into adding the drawers and the hardware, the tabletop, and then of course my favorite stuff, the staining. And what I'm going to end up doing on this is I'm going to try to antique the stain to make it look a little older than what it actually is. I've never done it before, so hopefully we'll be able to get this right, make it look good. Alright, y'all, we're coming to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, share it. I'm trying to get to those 1,000 subscribers, and please help me out and just subscribe. Thank you.